So we have the first part, no, part of Excel is yung title bar, allocated uppermost part ng Excel natin. The next one is the menu bar. Ito yung file, home, etc. and all of those ribbons, no, kung tawagin na menu ribbons natin. So iba-iba po yan. So we have home, insert, iba-iba po yung functionalities ng mga yan. So alongside with the masterclass, malalaman po natin yan. Kagaya ng Photoshop masterclass series natin, you can tune in our masterclass series sessions po. And then we have what we actually have here are the columns and the rows, and also the cell. Ito mga to. So these are the cells wherein pwede ka mag-type, pwede ka mag-create ng numbers and alphanumeric numbers that you can create formula. So actually Excel is created for creating spreadsheets, formula, and then doing calculations, but you can actually automate those procedures or methods. And then we have the scroll bars, yan, horizontal scroll bar and vertical scroll bar. Tapos meron tayong sheets. Yung sheets, it's like a worksheet, no? You can add worksheet, just click the add button below, and then you can delete the worksheet if not. Yung isang worksheet, it can be connected to another worksheet na nakalink, no? So ituturo natin yan along the way doon sa mga beginners natin. And then we have the rows and the columns. Okay, so here we have actually the rows. These are the columns, yung A, B, C, D, E, F, G. So ito na po yung ribbon na nakalagay. So kada menu meron tayong tinatawag na ribbon. Yan. So, kada menu, may tinatawag tayong ribbon. Okay, tapos i-activate lang natin for our first lesson yung paano mag-activate ang developer tab. Ito po, para ma-activate po natin yung VBA project natin. Like here, sa ribbon natin, yung normal natin, home hanggang view. Tapos yung the rest, yung help meron. Pero yung PDF escape, activate PDF element, plugins na lang po yan. Yung developer tab, paano ma-activate? So, simply click the file. Go to your nasa na ba yun? Options. Yan, options. Tapos meron po tayo dito nakalagay na quick access customize ribbon, no? Sa customize ribbon, pag click po natin customize ribbon, makikita natin dito yung developer tab. So i-click natin yan, click dapat natin yan. Click natin yung plus, dapat actually naka-plus lahat dapat yan. So lahat naka-add. Tapos, i-click natin, okay. Nilitaw na siya, tapos pwede na tayo mag-start. Okay, that's all for this topic for today for activating our developer tab. Next to that, hindi ko na i-discuss pa yung mga nauna pa paano maggawa ng plus, minus, etc. So, i-run through na lang natin yun along the way kung paano mag-create ng mga Excel macro automation project natin para makagawa kayo ng maganda at mabilis. Like for example, auto-generation ng mga processes or methods na kailangan natin sa Excel. So that's all for today, guys. So thank you for watching and tuning in our channel, and I hope to see you guys soon in our masterclass series.